Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove trusted place from our smart lock function in Samsung Galaxy S22. First, where to look for smart lock options. We need to go to settings, then lock screen, next smart lock, and our super secret password. And here we have trusted places. Right now we have address of our shop and simply delete it. And now our location is removed from smart lock trusted places functions. That's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.